All right, lesson 9 will build off of lesson 8. We're going to add into the mix perimeter. Since we already know how to do area, let's do the area first. This shape right now, as is, can you find the area without breaking it up? Yes or no? You got to break it up into 2 shapes. All right, now there's a couple ways you can do it. Let's do it horizontally. Make your line across. And I think the work page for this is on the next page. So everybody find the area of the entire figure, because I think you know how to do it at this point. Find the area of the compound shape. All right, when we break this up into shapes, we have 2 shapes. All right, I need base and height of shape 1, please. Karen, base, please. Height. All right, base and height of 2. Peyton, base. Height. All right, now the work page is on the next page, but I'm just going to take the shortcut and we'll do it right here. What's 7 times 4? Jay. So shape 1 is 28. That's the area for shape 1. What about the area for shape 2?
48.
When you add it, you get 76 square units.
Yep.
And that's our answer for that. Okay? All right, we're going to do perimeter. I want you to do it the way that I show you to do perimeter. Do it exactly the way the reason being is I'm going to show you a common mistake that kids make that I've seen. I saw it last year on the state assessment, and I've even seen it on the final exam. So here's how we're going to do. I'm going to erase everything because I'm going to work off of this shape. Everybody, while I'm erasing, I want you to count the amount of units between A and F. Count the boxes A through F and tell me what you get. All right, Nick, what do you have? How much? Here's the critical step. I want you to label it on the shape, 13. Label it right on the diagram. Count the boxes F to E. Kira. Label it on the shape, 8 units from F to E. Everybody now do D to E. All right, what's D to E? Jen.
6.
Label it on your diagram. Everybody do C to D. Kate.
4.
Okay, now do B to C. M&M.
7.
Is that right? 7?
Yeah.
Forgot. Finally do A to B. Is. I want you to label every side after you've done it. Now, when I do perimeter, since perimeter is the distance around the shape, what do I have to do to all those numbers?
Add them.
Got to add them all up. So if you have a calculator, even on the test, use it. Don't try to do it in your head. If you're given a calculator, use it. But what do you get? And the way you would show it on this page, since you have 6 sides, is P equals, and you got to do 6 S's. Substitute everything in, and what do you get? Gav.
33.
How much?
32.
Brandon.
42.
42. And perimeter is just in units, not units squared. 42 is our answer. All right, here's the mistake kids make. You ready? I've seen it happen so many times, and it should not be a difficult question. I'm going to erase everything. See if you can find out the mistake that I'm making. Since perimeter is distance around the edge, this is what they do. I'm going to count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 38. What did I do wrong? 38 is not right. Nick.
The corner boxes, you count those as ones too.
Right. See, every time you get to that corner box, you got to count it again as you go along the next edge. So I have 13 here. That's why I tell you, count it and then label it. Now, treat each side independently. If you try to treat it all as one and count every box only once, you're going to be off, in this case by 4 units. Each side counts. So if I have 13 here, now I count this again. I got to count this box again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's how I'm getting 8. Now I'm going to go from E to D. Count this box again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you get it? Do you get what I'm saying? All right, don't make it more complicated than it is. When you get this question, and I'm going to give you one on the test, just get it right. Don't make a careless error. Okay? All right, the remainder of the packet, up to the problem set, you're going to do in your groups. Because we've done it. It's just an extension of what we've been doing. Remember, when you break up, if you choose to decompose, you have to decompose in either triangles or rectangles or squares. Okay? Or you can compose by adding on. It's up to you. There's more than one way to do each one of these. All right, group up and go.